When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.